Hello everyone, and I haven't worked on my new world for a long time. Now, hello, and I'm gonna make the biggest sacrifice I have ever seen. Whoa, watch out. Okay. I'm not focused on pigs or bombs anymore. Pigs are my favorite animals, though. Just saying. Now, the royal lava pool. Oh my fudge. I did not mean to do that. Was that everything? I hate my lag. I'll have to start from a new world. No, just kidding. I'm gonna focus on mining now. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna start here. Good, they don't see me. And keep going down. Okay. My goal for this thing is to actually get to the end. I don't know if I'll be able to do that. I might be doing things off screen, but for now I'm just gonna focus on this. Whoa. I should have brought a sword. What mode is this on? I'm freaking out. It's laggy and everything. Okay. Hey little bat. Now, because I am a spy, I'm gonna devote my life on working on a laser gun. The laser gun, so special. So it's pretty much equivalent to Sky's butter. Oh, and by the way, some bad news. Shum 7 FTW can't work on videos anymore. Family reasons. But he will be in my videos. Lots of my videos. Yeah. Oh look, I have a laser gun already. I want to kill that bat. If it stops flying. Okay. I should work on going up soon. What layer is this? Okay. So what layer is this? I can't find what layer. Oh, it's it's layer 30 something. Whoa. I won't be able to go there yet. That's just way too high. I'm gonna go back up, actually work on a better home, blah blah blah, etc. Now if I could just find my... Oh, I'm so done. Pop that place up. Um, um, and what I'm gonna do the most risky thing ever. Well, a little less risky, but still pretty risky. If I don't complete this challenge, I'm going to be stuck forever. I hate myself. Oh, okay. Creeper. I'll remember this, okay. But just chasing me. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Let's take a little peek inside the chest. That's pretty good. It's only those two spawned. Come on, this is such a waste of my pick. I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna... I'm really mad. Stop it. Stop it, stop it. I'm going to find my way back, whether I like it or not. I will. Down here. What? How'd you even get back up? I'm so dumb. Okay. I knew that looked suspicious. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. I'm a really bad survivalist. 50 something. The mossy cobble. The everything. Oh yeah, I can't get my pick back because I remember when the zombie was holding the pick. I know. Oh, I feel so bad about myself because I cheated. Okay, iron. I'm gonna give away those 5 dirt by sacrifice. Game mode. Sorry, I just need to do more mining. Okay, but after we do this mining, we go back up to our faithful home. What the? What? Why did I not see this? And this is pretty close to my home too. Okay, I'm gonna mark this spot as territory of the Where is my house? I'm the dumbest person ever. Ow. I'm lost forever. Lost forever. Never had a chance to get out. I actually think I'll make a new home here. Ow. See, the place likes me here. The place definitely likes me here. But I don't have enough cobble because I used it all on that. No, I'm not using that. Okay, 24 cobble, that's good. Sorry about my skin, guys. That was a troll. I didn't record that. Because one of my friends liked butter, like, awesomely. Like butter so much. I just had to put on that squid skin in their face. Okay. Take that grass, take that grass, take that grass, I need it. Take that grass, take that grass. Now it's some dirt. Okay. You know what my favorite song is? My favorite song is, what's it called? Viva la Vida. Okay. Now if you may, I need some cobble. Oh my, bye.